If you want your photos to look like the early 80s or want to change the feel of your image, then watch this video. Welcome back to the Adobe Guide. Before starting this video, a like on this video will be super appreciated, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Adobe Photoshop. Go to the adjustment panel on the right side of Adobe Photoshop and click on black and white. This will make your image look black and white. But you can also adjust it manually, how your image looks better, or just simply click on auto for the random setting. Another cool thing which I want to show you is the tint. Using tint you can make your image look a little bit cold or warm, whatever suits you. But I am going to add this tint which makes it look like the early 80s. The second thing which I am going to show you is gradient. Before using gradient overlay, first you have to unlock your layer, then go to the effects or FX at the bottom of this panel and select gradient overlay. As you can see, there are a couple of things you can customize here. You can change the opacity of the overlay or the scale of the gradient overlay, but it looks weird at maximum. Now click on this gradient color bar. Adobe offers certain presets, you can choose if any preset suit you, but some of them are really awful. But I will go with the default one. Now double click on this and choose the colors which better fit your photos or images. Similarly from the other side, but it does not matter as you can reverse your images. That's it, now try this yourself, and thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions in mind, then write down in the comments section below.